Alright everyone, in this video we are going to focus upon how you can execute all those Linux based command, or I would say a system level command directly inside the Colab notebook. Now can you think about it is already running a Python interpreter. How can we execute all those system level command? So this particular Colab notebook is already installed on one of the full-fledged Linux machine. So obviously all those utility you can run it, but you don't have any direct access to those Linux machine. You just cannot use those as a console, but there is a provision directly inside this Colab notebook, so that from the Colab notebook itself you can fire all those commands. So let's say I want to fire, or I just want to know what are the commands are available in a bin folder, because this particular Colab notebook is installed on a full-fledged one of the Linux machines. So to begin with, or writing any system level command, it has to be start with an exclamation mark. Then we can just simply start with ls, let's say /bin, and if I just execute it, I will get all those utilities which is a part of this bin folder. And you can see to execute any command. So here we have just executed a list directory command, or I would say a listing of files command from the Linux utility. Let's try with one of them, and you can see there are a hell lot of functions and utility which is already a part of a Linux based system that is available here, like a cpmnc. You can copy it, you can change the permission with this chown, or you can change the mode of individual files or a folder with this chmod. Let's try with one of them. Let's say I'll just try very simple one like a pwd, which will give me a current working directory. So let me execute it, and as of now I am inside the /content. Let me try one more. Let's say very simple like a date. So that will give me a current system time where this Colab notebook got situated. Alright, so this way you can fire all those system level command directly from here. Let me try one of them. Let's say I have a GitHub repository, and one of the repository I just want to pull out, or I would just want to pull or clone it directly inside my Google Colab, or I would say a Google Colab environment, so that later on I can use it. So let me just select let's say one of them. I'm just going to select, let's say, import data, and I am just going to select from clone. Let me select the HTTPS base URL. So I have just copied it. Let me go to my Colab. Now here already Git got installed, so we can just directly go with the exclamation mark git clone and just provide the full-fledged URL from where you want to clone this whole repository. So from here, it is already a public repository, so it is available. Now if you go on a left hand side, a full-fledged file systems are available on which this particular Colab notebook got installed. So you can see it has created a brand new folder like import-data that has come from directly from the GitHub repository, and inside that all those files which is a part of this repository also got downloaded, or I would say cloned it. We can use the other utility like wget also. So let me just try with the wget. Let's say I just want to download this particular web page, or let's say some other file. Let me try with okay, let me try with this web page only. So I'm just going to copy this particular web page URL, and with wget I am just going to provide it. Now here also wget is one of the utilities, a part of this Linux system, so you do not need to worry about any kind of installation. It is by default a part of this Colab environment, and as you are firing the system level command, you have to provide this exclamation mark. Let me run it. Alright, and they are saying you just cannot write to import data, because I think that is already available. So what we can do, we can go to one of the directory. So let's say inside the sample data I will just go. So let me try with sample_data with exclamation mark, and now my current working directory will be changed. So I can just simply type like a pwd, and still it is not changed. Let me try it once again. It must be changed. Alright, and let me try with pwd. Oops, still I am inside the content only. So what I can do, let me give one more some sample CSV file, and we'll just provide the path of that CSV file. So sample CSV file, I'm just going to take it from here. Yes, I think this one is a good enough. So yes, it is a correct one. So I can just simply copy it from here. Let me just do it wget. So wget and full-fledged path. Alright, and you can see sample1.csv file got downloaded. Let me refresh this file system from left hand side, and you can see sample1.csv file got appeared. Alright, and this way you can fire all those system level commands directly from the Colab notebook. So I hope you enjoy listening to this video, and see you into next video with some more Colab related video. Till that time, just please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you into next video.